guys, welcome back to my channel, and today a special guest is going to read a book. Drum roll, please. My sister! Hey guys, my name is Gianna. I'm Dominic's sister. In today's video, I'm going to be reading a book called Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. And don't forget to check out my channel called Gigi Stuff. Gigi space Stuff. But without further ado, let's get started. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Should I push it? Okay, I'll push it. I wonder what's gonna happen. Ah! I'm yellow! Push it again! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Oops. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So I guess I'm going to scratch Larry's tummy. Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. Maybe that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you like this book. It is called Don't Push the Button, as I said before. You can get it in all bookstores and online. If you liked how I read it, please like the video and don't forget to check out my channel. Bye!